So here, after the behavior section, we have the conversions options. See, what is a conversion? The things which you want to measure is called a conversion. Like for example, think there is an e-commerce website and you want to measure how many people purchased the product. Okay. So to measure this, the final page, like the people can visit a category page, a product page. From there, they can add the product into cart. From there, they'll go to the billing section. Okay. So the final page, the billing page, when they'll execute from there, now it will be considered as a goal. So that goal, when you create that goal in analytics, that will be showed in conversions. For example, if I go to this admin part, if I go to this admin section here, it's taking time again. Yeah, here you can see goals are there. So what all goals will create when people makes that happen, like people will do that, then it will be considered as a conversion. Now, some goals like there'll be a registration type, some goals will be related to sales. Now depends. Now depends upon the website, goals will be happening. Okay. So here there are different goals available. Okay. To create a goal, we have to go from here. Already we have 5 goals available here. Okay. One is engaged users, one is uh, entire checkout, purchase completed, registrations, and smart goals. So these are the things which are already created, and each goal has some conversions. That means how many registered 604, how many purchased the product 352. So these are all goals. Now whenever people will reach this goal, that is called a conversion. So that conversions we can analyze from here directly. What all goals we created, what all things it will happen in that we can analyze from here. Okay, either we can go to directly to the admin part from the goals, or you can analyze from here also, the conversion tab. See, when a goal will have, think like a goal is like purchase. Now, when somebody purchases that, that is a goal for you. Then either see, there will be a flow, like we have seen the tree maps of the users, like their behavior, how they are flowing from one page to other page. Now, to make this goal happen, they may also go with different sections, like different uh, pages or different categories. So that flow also we can analyze from here. Okay. And what all URLs they clicked, that also we can analyze. Okay. And what all path, like which format they visited, the funnel, like the home page, from their category, from their product, from their cart, from there to billing section. So this is one kind of funnel. So all the sections we can analyze from this end. Okay. This is the overview here. In this overview, we can analyze how many goals were completed and value of the goal. See, somewhere only registration, somewhere related to sales. Okay. So might be these goals are related to, it is not showing the complete thing here. Okay. See, purchase completed, goal one completions, 352 purchases completed, and engaged users are this much, registrations are this much, and checkouts are this much. That means the people who checked out from the website after buying a product. Okay, that many people. Now, if I compare, see, if I compare these two, see here, purchased is 352 and checked out from the website is 684. That means 684 people came to this website, this particular purchase page. From there, somebody purchased and somebody just check out from the page. They have not bought anything. So here I can analyze. I should differentiate this price, this thing. And according to this goal completions, here we have a conversion rate also. And what all links they came, like they visited, they made something conversion. So all the links are available here at the downside. Okay. So this is a section of an overview. We can analyze like what all goals created, what things are happening in the website. According to that, you can count the numbers, like how many sales, how many purchases, how many registrations, all the things we can analyze. And just like that, if I go to goal URLs, that means what all URLs we want people to reach, that all URLs we can check it from here, this path, goal URLs end. And see, funnel is nothing but the structure where user flow. Okay, generally we have seen in behavior flow. So the same thing will be available here. So how the flow happened when the user purchased something. Okay, that also we can analyze. See, there is a funnel flow here.
Yes, sir.
People, they came from different categories. They added product into cart. Okay, this many people added into cart. From there, 682 went for billing, and from there, how many people paid? 517 people paid. That means somebody has not paid. They only added the uh, product into cart and they came to billing section. And after paying the thing, how many people reviewed? See, after paying, uh, the website may ask for a review section. Okay, like verification thing. So this many people verified. Okay, and after verification, how many people paid? This many people paid. At last, 350 people purchased. Now that means, what is the time period here? Like Jan 23rd, 2022 to Jan 29, 2022. In this time period, this many people visited to your cart page. From there, this many purchases happened. Okay. Now we know remarketing ad in Google Ads. Now what will happen to rest of the people who added the product into cart, to them, your ad will be available as a remarketing ad. Why? Because there's an e-commerce sales related thing. Okay, getting my point.
Yes,
So in that way, remarketing will work. And here goal flow, that means the same funnel, it will show as a flow, like what things happened, which from which page to which page user visited when they are trying to reach the goal which we created. See this one, the same thing, we have the same flow. And e-commerce, like if you have an e-commerce website, then you have to enable the e-commerce options from here and you can check the things. Okay, anyhow, the goals are there. Whenever you make a goal called purchase, that is directly included in e-commerce. Okay, so that's the thing. Here we can analyze how many things, like what things are happening when we are analyzing the conversions of an e-commerce website. See, for example, you created an ad on Google AdWords. Now, ad is a sale ad. Like sale ad is related to e-commerce, like products. Now, what will happen when you link Merchant Center account to Google AdWords account, and when you place an ad, whenever sales happen, whenever sales happen, now immediately it will show it in the acquisition section. What all things are happening. At the same time, you have to add a goal. You have to add a goal related to purchase product. Now, when you give the URL of that particular website, like for example, the last page will be there, the purchase complete page will be there, thank you page. That page link, if you give and you ask for to check the conversion, now whatever people came to cart and whatever people visited there to the end, so many people paid. So that all things called as conversions. Okay, that all things it will show in e-commerce section or the purchase product. So here you can see the overall transactions happened 378, and how much revenue they have got, this many dollars they got. And for each order value, like they are uh, categorizing the data, like average, like this many transactions, this many revenue, and they made it average, and we got per person, like per transaction it is $79.55. In this way, now e-commerce, like this analytics is categorizing the data, and here we can analyze what all things people got. Okay, different products we have, and there's a Google merchandise center. So here we can analyze all the products are related to Google only. Got it. So this is a e-commerce section. If you go for one by one, you can analyze the behavior, just like we have seen in the goal section, the goal behavior, goal flow. The same section you can see it in the e-commerce section also here in this part. And we have multi-channel funnels. See, for example, if I go to behavior section or in audience. In audience, I have this cross device section. Okay, cross device section, one user is available in two devices. Okay, one user. So here, if I go to this conversions part, here I have multi-channel funnels. That means different ways to reach that particular goal. Okay, it may be different ways. For example, somebody may reach from home page to category page, from there to product pages, from there to cart. Some may reach from directly from category pages. Some may reach from directly from product page. Some may, for example, already think like they buy the product. Then they'll go for directly the cart page. That means whatever products they added, they'll go directly there. So different funnels may happen with one major funnel. So that all multi-channel funnels will be available here. Okay. So this is a section here. Just give me a second. So this is a section here in multi-channel funnel. That means what all things happening for different sections. If I go here in the overview part, different sections are there. Like people came directly, people went for like paid ad related things. So what all places are there from where they came from? They made the goal that all things it will be categorized. Why? Because see, we have different options to make people to come into the website. One is the organic part, one is the paid result, one is the like social media, from social media also, or from the referral links. So different ways are there where people can come into your website. So here we can analyze like most of the people are coming directly, and some of the people are coming from the paid search ads. That means from Google AdWords. From that way they are coming here. So different ways are there, different ways where their conversions are happening. So mainly direct. That means they know the brand name, they know the brand value, so they are coming directly into the website. Okay. So these things are happening. And organic, we can see very low results are there from organic. So you have like if you are focusing on organic thing like SEO results, then here is a good section. Like we can analyze okay, only 0.03% is happening, like conversions from organic search. So better to increase that. Why? Because see, as of now, see, if people are coming, see, for example, how this will be differentiated. If people are coming like Amazon.in, they'll go to they'll be considered in this direct section. Think like people are searching for Amazon, then in Google, then it will be search analyzed as organic search. Okay, so that means most of the direct search is considered as organic search, but the thing is they are going directly into the domain, and these people they are searching in the website, like in the Google search results. Okay, here. So these are the different multi-channels where people are doing conversions. Okay, this is a section here, and this attribution it is in beta process. Still, it is working, so we can't finalize what things are happening here. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So analyze, like add the merchant center in your analytics account and just analyze the things what things are happening in this section. Okay. So if you are having a website, then you should have a good data, then only Google Analytics will give a results. If not, try to add a dummy account of Google so that you can measure the data. You can analyze the data. Without data, we can't analyze the tabs here.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts in the analytics part?
No, sir.
Give me a second.